it's Steven. Today I'm gonna show you a strategy that literally saves me when the market looks confusing and hard to read. It works like a filter. It removes noise, highlights clear direction, and leaves only precise entry points. In this video, I'll show you how it performs in different market conditions and what exactly I look at before opening a trade. Make sure to watch it till the end. We'll break down one very powerful signal there. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, let's prepare our tools. I use classic candlesticks, time frame set to 1 minute. Then go to the indicators tab and select momentum and Williams. Momentum settings, period 5, then go to style, main line, set type to line, width to 2, opacity all the way to the right. Then change the upline color to turquoise and then click save. Williams settings, period 7, then go to style, set mainline width to 2 for the -20 and -80 levels, move opacity all the way to the right and then click save. Now the indicators are ready. If you're trading on your phone, just set it up everything the same way. And if you find it difficult to analyze the market on your own, simply join my Telegram. There, I share live analysis, daily market direction, explain mistakes, and help you personally. There's also automatic copy trading, an analysis bot, and access to private strategies. Entry is free, access is limited, spots are limited. Message me to get in. I start with the first confident entry when the market shows a clean direction. Expiration 1 minute and I'm opening a buy trade for $45. Now I'll explain in detail how this strategy works and why the signals complement each other so well. The first reference point is the momentum indicator. When the turquoise line crosses the thin gray middle line from bottom to top, we get an early and very important signal of a potential upward move. This crossover tells us that the market is starting to accelerate, buyers are gradually gaining strength, and previous weakness is being replaced by bullish momentum. You can clearly see it visually. Price action becomes smoother and the movement starts pushing upward more confidently. Now we move to the second confirmation, the Williams indicator. Here, the turquoise line also crosses the red line from bottom to top, which serves as a strong and reliable confirmation of an uptrend. This signal usually appears when buyers already have enough strength to lock in direction and form a stable upward move. Great start. I lock in $41 profit and continue watching the market. After a short time, the next signal forms, expiration 1 minute, and I'm opening a buy trade for $86. After a small push up, the market pauses briefly as if gathering strength for the next move. This pause looks natural, candles flatten slightly, volatility calms down, but the overall structure remains intact. Soon after, buyers step back in, the upward movement resumes, candles start climbing higher, their bodies become thicker and more confident. The chart forms a clean, smooth, bullish structure, no sharp spikes, just steady and consistent impulse development. Price action clearly shows renewed buyer strength, and most importantly, both indicators point in the same direction. Their alignment confirms the start of a new upward move that looks logical and confident. Friend, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to message me on Telegram and I'll be happy to help you personally. Excellent result, another $79 profit. Moving on. Another entry appears, but the movement looks weaker than before. With the 1 minute expiration, I'm opening a buy trade for $350. Right now, there is no real upward continuation. You can clearly see the momentum fading, candles lose confidence, the movement becomes sluggish, and the structure no longer shows a clear direction. At this point, it's already possible to anticipate a loss because the market simply doesn't provide the energy you usually want for a strong move. On top of that, price runs into a support zone, which is very noticeable. Candles slow down, movement smooths out, and the market doesn't seem ready to break through the level with enough force. In such conditions, upward continuation often turns out weak or doesn't develop at all. So it's important to understand the risk of a loss in advance. The chart lacks momentum, and support can fully stop the move and push price back. And that's exactly what happens. I take a loss but continue trading according to the plan. The final signal of the day forms on a strong upward pullback. Timer 1 minute, and I open a buy trade for $824. Price confidently bounces off the level and immediately transitions into a clean bullish impulse. The movement develops smoothly and consistently. Candles rise one after another, bodies get thicker, and the structure looks neat and directional. It's clear that buyers are in control. They set the pace and build a stable growth rhythm. This signal is truly strong and reliable. The chart shows confident recovery, and the impulse looks alive, and the bullish dynamics unfold logically without unnecessary fluctuations. Perfect finish. I lock in $758 profit. The balance increases to $1,582. Let's sum this session up. Great session. My balance grew from $45 all the way to $1,582. If you have any questions about the strategy or you want to dive deeper, feel free to message me on Telegram and I'll gladly help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, for liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you next time and happy trading.